On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Help another trader, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter Gang. What is going on, everybody? Donald Trump with the dump. I feel like there's a song coming. How we all doing? Happy Thursday, everybody. Wednesday with the big move. Mr. Midnight Hammer at night. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful, beautiful morning. Got your coffee strapped in, ready to go. It's pretty good today. Let's say hello to the chat. Let's see what's going on in the beautiful charts. My guys, my girls, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the SFP of the low. Guys, let me tell you, there's this thing called a pink box, okay? There's a setup that we have for trading news. There's a couple traders in our Discord who were already short the Ponzi. I'm just saying, it's time to lock the in, okay? I didn't swear there. I'm just saying. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. A whole bunch of y'all caught that short, and a bunch of y'all didn't. Oh, man. I was considering going live, but I was locked up in. I'm up like $2,000 yesterday. Just very steady Freddy, man. Where are we at here? Where's the 24,887. So $1,900 yesterday. I mean, a beautiful day. That pink box came in at 3 a.m. Yeah, did it? It did, didn't it? And it came back to talk to us again. We warned everybody we're approaching the pink box. And we got an SFP rejection. Oof. My God. Anyways, spoilt for choice. Hopefully everybody's had a beautiful morning. Thank you for being here. Thank you for hanging out. Bitcoin, NASDAQ, down, oil, to the moon. I can't wait to see the inflation numbers in the next couple months. I can't wait. Is Donald Trump trying to force the Fed? What do you guys think? Maybe Army Piper's got a whoa, look at this thing. It's a rocket man. Oh my Lord Jesus, have mercy. All right. Well, here we are, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. The slow grind down into the bottom of the bear. Is this going to be the low? Are we going to put it in the low, or are we going to roll over? We'll see. You know what? Either way, up, down, all around, doesn't matter, man. We're here to take advantage of this price action. For those who are struggling right now, well, I have a solution for you. I do. It is Easter weekend coming up. And we figured we'd do a discount on the Discord. Because, you know, it's the right thing to do. The only Discord that's printing money. Nah, probably not. I'm sure there's other ones, but I mean, my God. The nastiest Discord in the game. Literally spoon feeding everyone. The pink box, guys. Boy, you so nasty. I mean, Kyle with the setup. I mean, Kyle gave the long or the short, like early in the day, guys. And if you just took that, you'd be rich. Pre-rich, at least. And then we did the, pink box, approaching pink box, ready to go, blah, 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 blah. I teach you how to trade the news, too. But, I mean, oh, my God. Nasty. All right. I'm not one to come on here and brag. I have bad days sometimes, but I have more good days than bad. That's why I can justify saying this shit. All right. What's going on, everybody? Good job, awesomeness. Proof of work. Good morning. So we're going to do a discount on the Discord if you want. We need a word. We need a word from Big Bird, you know? That's all. Maybe you guys can come up with something, because I'm out of ideas. Good morning. Paid some more tuition. That's okay, Vinny. It's don't make it a university tuition. I always say, make it a, maybe it's trade school. Make it trade school, where they pay you to go to school. That's the kind of tuition we want you to have. What's going on, Tactical? Simp, Jack, Shunts, good morning. We got the short last night. Anyone long this morning? Tactical, no longs yet. This is just rolling over right now. Rolling over. Ghost of Odyssey, good morning, gang. Alex, coffee, ready for today's lesson. We're here, ready to learn. Hopefully you're doing well, Odyssey. Adrian, Mojo Jojo, good to see you. Alexander G. Indun. Indu, we'll call him Indu. What's going on, Jesse, Crypto Jung, Milan, Mac? All we ask is you guys say good morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel and hanging out and all that good stuff. I do appreciate you guys. I do appreciate you guys being here. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I guess we can pin this in the comments. Here we go. Where's that? Pin it in the comments. Down she goes. Solana. Solana was kind of the tell yesterday. Solana did this big SFP yesterday. And then it was already breaking down. Breaking down. So Solana really was the tell. It was down like 4% when everything was flat. So Bitcoin was still kind of here and Solana was down here. I was like, okay, there's the tell. Oh, man. Geronimo. Okay. How's everybody doing this morning? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Adrian, Ashunts, Ghost of Odyssey, good to see you. Milan, Shrian Pandy, good to see you. Army Piper. We got initial jobless claims today, guys, coming out. I know, news, it's really lame. Initial jobless claims coming out this morning in about 19 minutes. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. Initial jobless claims, but no rush this morning. Bleeding out. We don't want to short bottom blast, we don't want to short here. Let's put it that way. No worries. Everything is fine. $110. Yeah. So that's the thing that I heard, Army Piper. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. For every $10 of oil, the stock market or the inflation goes up by minimum 0.2%. So every $10 oil goes up, inflation goes up 0.2. And oil was at $70, $60 if we look back here before we had our catastrophic big push here. Yeah, $70-ish, 65 at one point. So we've gone up to 110. We're up $40. That's simple math, guys. That's called bad. It's called bad. That's as simple as it's called. That's the equation. Okay. That's the equation. What's going on, Ben, Trace, Jojo, Cal, Stated Fire? Good to see you, Wayne C. Spawn. Good morning, Catbread, Decrypto, Stefan, Charles, Loco. Awesomeness. Last night was, again, Midnight Hammer. Yeah, again, that pink box came in. CJ, good to see you. Hoto. Oh, man, let's try and say this name. Fu Vong Cinematography. Short, let's go. Good job, bro. Wicked name. BTC correction dip to 45K. Ugh. We're not there yet, man. Not even there. There's massive support at 63,000. And we're still just challenging the lows right now. We have the lows down here. It's not too far off if we look at the macro, which we will. But if we look just generally at this thing as a range, right? We don't have to give away all the sauce, but it's very much here, right? Here's the low. It's been held for quite some time. We're in a descending channel. We don't have to complicate this too much, guys. We were at the top of the channel, and here we are, right? Here we are. Right. Even, we drew the silly trend line yesterday for you guys, right? We said, oh, look, we're at the top here. We could break down. And, Trump came through, right? It's not but we do have support here. And then there's a massive macro support at 63,000 if you're unaware. And we can talk about that too. I'm just too busy here saying good morning to all these beautiful people. Does Discord verification take you to a website? Depends. If you're verifying on Discord, you should just do like the 2-factor authentication just to protect your Discord, Rich. But you shouldn't be clicking like any weird links or anything like that. It should be generally through the Discord, but it will take you to the Discord website. Just make sure it's the correct website. I'll never message you guys like privately or anything like that. I have no interest and no time to do so. Okay. But yeah, always be careful on Discord. There's so many scammers. Chantel, good to see you. How you doing, Barack? What's up, Francois? Bonjour. How are things today? Things are good, man. Things are really good. Had a good day yesterday. Good trading in the morning. I was up it's like $500 in the morning, and then I gave it back a little bit, and then I whooped ass last night. So went for a little hike with the family. It was good. Yeah, it was good. Really good. Happy days, man. Happy days. What's going on, Mr. Kemp? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Yavar, good morning, man. Added myself to the Discord. Welcome, man. Thank you for being here. We're going to have a... Tony Soprano tagged you in the Discord. There you go. Tony will help you. Tony's great. What level would you hit along today? I'm thinking 65.5. Not really interested in longs just yet. Right, let's look at this. Like whenever you're breaking down here, right? Which we are. Your longs need to be confirmed, right? We want to see structure. And we want to jump on the lazy river trade, right? So right now we're in this, right? Does this look like it's going to stop right now? Right, even your longs here, right, are met with resistance, clearly. So I like longs, but it's going to have to present itself with, like, clear opportunity, like sweep, bounce, higher low. We want a long here. Otherwise, we're fading this thing, which is, you know, the stock market hasn't even opened yet, guys. It's going to be a gong show. It's going to probably, let's see, NASDAQ. ES is down 1.5% from the highs, right? 1.5%. So we look at the SPY, 1.5%. Let's go. All right, so we're looking somewhere in here. Somewhere in here for the gap down this morning, and we'll see how. So this would be taken out. We can already front run that. And then, I mean, what else is on the table, guys? It's not, I'm sure a lot of people are puckered this morning after that speech. We'll see. I was sent a message from Otterbot Prime with the link in the Discord for rejoining because I wasn't verified. It should be yeah, if you're in the Discord, you come over here into the main chat. Okay, Otter Talk here. Tony's tagged you in here. Right? Just go to the verification link he posted here. Verification, you go over here, you click the button, you get verified, you're good to go. Once you sign up, if you do sign up, I'm not going to assume you're going to sign up. Then you just you'll get sent to the website. Website will walk you through AlexOCrypto.com. You'll sign up, join the Otter gang. Then you got to verify. The number one thing you got to do is you got to verify. Please verify after you, and then you enter the Discord. That's what everybody forgets to do, is verify. Big orange button. Caught the STO short. Nice. French Toaster, good morning. Good to see you, man. Jesse, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Lord Devil can't pump because you guys don't know how to dump properly. Only Cubanadian, good to see you, man. How you doing? Josh Parr, Steamy. Tony Soprano, thanks for helping out. Charles Diego Patillion, good morning. Good to see you guys. Froth Dog, my man. How you doing, bro? Andrew Cameron, formerly known as Canada. Lord, no need to scream that here if you haven't noticed. This is a scalping stream. Yeah. What's up, Pat? Good to see you. Jesse, Ondo, Trench. Good to see you, bro. How you doing? Down we go. Where we stop, nobody knows. Oh, we have a faint idea. I mean, our job is to be prepared. So we prepare every morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Gang, what should the discount be? I mean, we do $75 for Black Friday. So maybe we do November, December, January, February, March, April. So every 6 months we'll do the $75 discount code. Okay? So we'll do the Jesus holiday and then we do Black Friday. It's the only time to lock in $75. I think that's fair. Besides that, I'm never going cheaper. It will never be cheaper than $75. I think that's the only way. And we're only going to do how many spots? We need a word though, guys. What should the word be? It should be like lock in? No. We can't be gay like that. We can't say lock in. We got to say like Easter cojones. I need a good word, guys. I know people love a discount, but they need to understand how good the Discord is. It's worth way more than the full price. I mean, code should be punk ass. The War Room. Mojo Jojo. Oh man, code oil. P Diddy. Oh man. What is the DE indicator? It's big energy. It's a doji engulfing with a little bit of volume. That's all it is. It's a doji engulfing. It's just because of my lazy eyes. That's the DE on the chart, okay? Donnie Dumpster. Montana. Pink Bunny. Yeah, it's just a doji engulfing candle. Strait of Hormuz. Space long. Bird is the word. You guys are more original than that, man. You guys got to have a better discount code than that. Spoon feed. I think we just call it pink box. Pink box. Schlong. I mean, pink box. Strait of Hormuz. Capicolo. Capicolo. I like spicy. No one expects good job numbers, guys. I think it's just, Atafrata. Rotation down right now in a buy level. We have double liquidity levels to come and take here. So we have this guy here. And we have this guy here, right at the lows. Let's get rid of this guy. And let's get rid of this guy. Oh, we've just taken this guy. Okay. We've just swept this liquidity here. Nice reaction off the low. Don't mind my charts, guys. These charts make us lots of money. We've just taken this low. Interesting. Okay. That's an important low, actually. There's potential for a little pushback here. We'll see what we get. There is potential here for a bit of a pushback. We'll see what we get. We're trying to decide on a discount code name. That's more important. Artemis 2. Is that Artemis 2 fake? Like, I've seen so many, like, it looks like the Michelin Man. It's a little bit. Epic Fury. Push back to what number? Gun golfing. What do you mean we didn't go the first time? Do you think we go the second time? What about the 6,500 level or 65,000? We have a level at 65. Yeah, we're looking there too. If this, then that, right? How does it get there? Having a level is one thing. I had levels all the way down, guys. If we look at this, I had levels all the way down. Are you longing here without confirmation? No. There's no reason to, right? I have levels all the way up. Are we shorting here? Well, we'll see, right? We'll see. Did we get what we wanted to see last night? Yes. Right? Pink box. Sweep of liquidity. Rotation down, break of structure, retest. And then we have a secret to trading news. And if you look at the news trade, it was pretty obvious direction wise, right? You had Donald Trump here. Here's Donald Trump, right? You lead up, you create liquidity. You sweep the liquidity. You come back, you wreck the late shorts. Boop, right? And then what do? You continue to rug everyone, okay? Okay, but we teach you how to recognize this and how to capitalize on this, right? How to make the money, right? It's never financial advice, but we're just here. Right? Volatility is a gift if you know how to participate safely with good risk management and obviously with a good bias to which direction price is going to go. Okay? Right? So we use the code ZUZEMINFOS, gone golfing. I think that'll work. We'll use gone golfing. Let's practice some serenity now. We'll see. Alex loves the CME gap. Oh God, Ryan. I'm just going to make a pink box. I'm only going to make 25 available. We're going to take off. This is a big discount, man. $25 spots available, so $13 off per month for all your payments for life. Oh, there's always more pink boxes, the shunts. There's always more pink boxes. You got to find the one pink box, you know? Can we say White Friday? White Friday. The discount price is starting today. Good morning, Terry. Good to see you, man. We're just going to use Lord Otter. All right. Now I got to get Dave to make me a banner. The code is $13 off for life. This is only available on Black Friday. Lord Otter. Your summer discount code is Lord Otter. That's it. I'm not being creative. Lord Otter for the summer discount. Don't tell anyone. I wonder if Grok will make me like a banner. Make me a poster for my $13 off for the summer time to my Discord. Dave Digital can do it. Lord Otter. We just want to trade anyways. I'll have to look into making a poster. Lord Otter. Lord Otter. There we go. Can I spam the chat? Am I allowed? There, I set it up. I told you guys I would do a discount this month. Trying to push up here. Still no trade. I like the pushback here. I like that we've taken this low here. We've taken the low here. Potential for a pushback here. In our bounce level, there's potential here. That's all I got to say. Retesting previous lows as resistance. We'll have some more key levels. 1 second. Family's calling me. Here's going to be the one that got away. I mean, the pink box hit yesterday, so I guess we got to do the pink box song. I'll be right back. We'll take some trades.
Hard again. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Woo, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. Let's get in a pink box. The pink box. Only pink box that to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. The pink box. The pink box. Let's get in the pink box. Harder game. Turn the lights down low. Look at that chart. You know what time it is. It is time to get paid. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you, pays. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Been waiting all day. Let the price come down. Right into the golden pocket. Nice and slow. Get the friction on. Yeah, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Woo, yeah. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. The only pink box that pays you, pays you. Oh, let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital. Let's get in a pink box. The pink box. Oh, yeah. Watch that pays you, pays you. Let's get in a pink box. Oh yeah, the pink box. Watch that candle pop. Spoon feed it to me, baby. Take the money and run. Stay true to the digital.
You're a fool for this track. Oh man. Oh man, $30 gang, gang, gang. That pink box. Good to see you guys. Thank you guys for being here. All right. Dave Digital with the pink box. You have a beard like Muslims. Thanks, man. Jesus is our savior, man. Good morning, Ross. Good to see you. Jason. Hang a sock on the door already? Oh, man. Trying to push out here. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thank you guys for being here. And I'm going to push out here. All right. Little push here. Little push here. Can we get going? There we go. Grok is a G, man. There we go. Grok is good, man. I just copied and pasted that thing. Look at this, guys. I didn't even have to try. I am an artist, guys. I am an artist. Only 25 spots, though. Maximum. I didn't do it. All right, pushing here. Pushing here. This is our Easter egg sale. I got 99 shares, but a long ain't one. I got a Rat Patrol on the Cat Patrol. Hire me to be your assistant, $10 per hour. I got amazing mods and an amazing wife. We got a bunch of longs, ones and twos in here. Pink box, triple entendre. Did you open a position yet? Nope. No, we take the trades, show the trades every single day. Today we go live after the stream as well. We trade live in the Discord. Longs. Okay, a bunch of y'all long. I like the sweep here. Am I in? No. Oh, and I have a trading monkey. Don't forget that, yeah. What's going on, Tradefly? My man, Tradefly in the chat. Let's go, baby. Some Tradeflies in the chat. Hopefully you're doing well, my man. Good to see you. Hopefully you and the fam bam are having a good trip. We got short yesterday. We back hot and ready, man. Up 2 racks yesterday. Trivia fact of the day. Jesus is referenced in the Quran more than Muhammad. That's pretty wild, man. That's pretty wild. What's going on, Simeon? Good to see you. Refund. 100% fake out. Now, if you sign up to the Discord, please just remember, you get in the Discord, you go Discord, the big button here, big orange button, and then you click verify membership. Tony's going to have to tell people to click verify membership 100 times. But if you could relieve Tony of his duties, that'd be great. Captain, missed you, man. My days didn't feel the same. Good to have you back. Good to see you, Wayne. God bless you, bro, man. Thank you for being part of the family. How you been? How's your week, man? Monday, Tuesday, yeah, I was in LA, hanging out with Tradefly, hitting some golf balls. Some far to the right. Oh man, couldn't get the driver going all week, but I hit my only thing was I wanted to hit one really good bomb drive, and you can ask Tradefly. I hit one bomb. Actually, 2. I hit one really good one at Torrey Pines, and I hit a bomb at his local golf course. So, I've been really working on that driver, and I'm not hitting a slice or that push fade that's really ugly, but I am hooking it a little bit more now. So it's getting there, but a little bit frustrating. But you can ask Tradefly about that bomb. It was 270, 280? Almost on the green, that one? Whew. The small hat, people hate our religion. No, we ain't here to talk about religion or politics. We're just here to take trades, show the trades, make crypto honest again. We're live here every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15. Today we go into the Discord and continue trading. Hopefully everybody's having a beautiful day. Welcome, Paku. Thank you for joining the family. And good to see everybody here. South Africa, yeah. That's pretty cool that they all didn't live golf. Live Golf went and played in South Africa. That's pretty cool. Good morning, Charles. All right, so where are we at? What are we looking for? How are we looking to get there kind of deal? Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live stream, hanging out. We got 300 and something people in here. God bless you guys. We lost a whole bunch of people on the Pink Box song, which is great. Shaking at the weekends. 330 people here. 71 likes, though. I think we need to do a little bit better on the likes, please. So rolling over here, Donald Trump with the sauce last night. We had the Pink Box up at the top. We had a couple of short setups. Kyle gave a short from up here as well. Managed to jump in short here, make a nice good old bag last night. Just consolidation breaking down here. Okay, pretty clear on the breakdown. Now, if you didn't manage to get short, well, that's why you joined the family. And if you're in the family and you didn't manage to get short, well, there's a lot to learn, and we'll continue to help educate. So what do we have now? We have, this breakdown. Right? Are we out of the woods yet? Right? It's something that we always have to answer. When we're looking here, we're still consolidating in a range, right? Is this distribution? Well, we look here and we can see that, even though we've pushed up, ever since we broke the low here, it has been, any retracement has been for shorting. Okay? Now, not out of the woods yet. We haven't made a lower low on a higher term time frame, but when we look at this as a range and we go from the high down to here, we can see that we are, most likely heading down to the lower part of this channel. Which would mean what? It just means that, we always look at market structure, price action, volume, and liquidity. Where are we looking to head? Well, we've taken out most of these lows here. So we have this low here, the Sunday sweep, and we have these lows here. Right, so how are we going to get here? Well, first we might have to go here. Okay, so we understand that. We might want to, we probably go in here, but first we might have to go here. Okay, that is the great question, is how do we get there? Right, our interpretation of price action on the short-term time frames can help us take advantage of these key areas, right? That's why we're looking at the golden pocket 786 here for the short in the community. We missed it up here. We weren't going to miss it this time. Okay? We missed it up here. Not perfect, but we got it here. Okay, so beautiful pink box rejection. You can see how highly manipulated this has been, right? We have wartime price action, right? So wartime price action is chop, 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 bam. Chop, 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 bam, 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 right? 3 tweets yesterday, right? Like we had a tweet right in the morning. Right, and then the guy comes on and talks all the smack. You look at this, you can say this is a head and shoulders. Whatever you want to justify this with, to play with short. Now the key is understanding liquidity. If you don't need to know a head and shoulders if you can understand that we impulsively moved up yesterday, okay, when I was away, and we knew that this is going to be our main target. Right, when price pushes, we want to see constructive price action. Higher highs, higher lows. Retracing, generally 50% or more. When it retraces, like a 382, like this, and it leaves fair value gaps behind, it typically gets somewhat recovered. Okay? And that's why you get the Bart-Simpson patterns. Okay, so when we look at things like that. So it's very important to understand, where is the liquidity? Where have we pushed out? Where do people think they're safe in their longs? They're all safe here, right? Where do they think they're safe? Oh, we're going to Valhalla. Everybody's short. We're going, right? And yes, we look at the charts, and yes, this is a news event, but we don't need to know what the news is. We just need to know that where's the liquidity. And by doing that, we can take advantage of it. Okay? So just settling right back to where we started. We're back within this consolidation range. Can we defend the lows here? right? So we're sweeping this low currently. We haven't closed below this low to make a lower low here. Where's the liquidity now, right? Well, the liquidity would be in this guy right here, right? So can we bull div and push out? Absolutely. Can we retrace and dump? Absolutely. But we know there's liquidity here and liquidity here. We've just taken liquidity here. Okay. Then we know to target the rest of this stuff as well. So we're prepared, right? We're prepared. If this, then that. That's why we were looking here as well. So now our options are this. Okay. We zoom in and we take advantage of short-term price action to jump into trades like this. So if this, then that. Prepared traders are profitable traders. So looking at market cipher, generally the bias today is for relief into the afternoon. Okay, we can see that market cipher is very overextended to the downside. However, there is no rounding or relief showing here on the 4-hour at all. Okay, we can see money flow is working higher highs and higher lows on the way up here, but it's still in the red. All right, so we want to see this, this, and this if we are to get a pushback. Typically around, this is looking around this afternoon to late Asia session if we're going to get relief. However, Donald did not give any very good signs yesterday on his talk. When he gave his talk, what did he say? We talked about this in the Discord, okay? What did we say? Okay. Threat to ramp up attacks. No plan to exit. Oil is pumping. No plan for the straight. He's going to back out. Helium affecting all the AI chips, right? Him comparing it to World War II and saying it's been only a month. Lots of talking. No real plan, okay, on the exit. And of course, he's not going to show his cards, but. And then we show you how to trade the moves. First move. Watch the video. Updates, updates, updates. Throughout the day, right? Throughout the day. Approaching the pink box. Nice SFP. See if we break down from here, right? So, very, very, very thorough. Very good. Kyle with the win, man. Let's all go give Kyle his flowers. Kyle gave the short setup here yesterday in the Discord. I mean, there's 8 traders in the Discord. We got to give him flowers. Here you go. Super gay. Okay. So the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1. Looking for relief. There is no sign of it yet. There's no sign of it yet. We have put in big, deep anchor waves here. We're looking for some sort of pushback out. Every single push has been met with rejection. So we'll see where we get to. S&P, we have a big gap here. I expect that to be filled today. NASDAQ, trying to bounce out of the low here. Not looking the greatest. Down 2%. Quite a dump, okay? Quite a nasty dump. Same with the ES here. Quite a nasty dump. Trying to find some relief here. No real sign of relief just yet, right? Need structure. We have double bottom. No break of the high. Need to push out. We'll see how that opens up today. If this, then that, right? Trying to find some lows here. But not convincing yet, okay? If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. If you're old here, welcome. Thank you for being here supporting the channel. We do have our, every 6 months, we do a $13 off sale. Black Friday and Jesus. That's how we justify Black Friday and Jesus. This is the biggest discount you'll ever get on our Discord. I don't need your Discord membership. I would just like for you to win. That's all. You can join if you want. Or you can just stay here. I spoon feed you anyways. But if you really want the big spoon, you know, if you really want the big spoon, if you want to, this is where the big spoon's at, man. I should just put this one on here. You guys hungry? All right. Here's the big spoon. So join or don't. It's okay. We'll be all right. Traders helping traders. So what are we looking for today? So looking for a reclaim of the range, right? We've dumped down right now. Right now we have a little manipulation. Can we get a distribution back up, right? Here's our accumulation range. Come for the high of the low, right? Can we see that? Possibly on the short-term time frame, right? We're looking for relief into this area, remember. Higher-term time frame stuff, right? And we're also looking for these lows to be defended. Trend is down. Liquidity, liquidity, liquidity. How do we get there, right? So can we accumulate and distribute up into our 66,800 level? Or are we going to continue to bleed out? Trend is down. We favor shorts, but we can also look for potential reversal. We have bullish divergence here on like a 30-minute time frame. However, price is looking quite grim right now. Little relief met by major rejection yet again. So don't fade the trend. Patience here. No trades right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades. Made about 2K yesterday. Simple trades. 1900. So it counts at 20, almost 25,000. 2 weeks ago, we started at $10,000 account. Okay, 25,000. So you do the math. 15K in 2 weeks. With a 5-day vacation in between. So happy days. Happy days. Showing the trades, taking the trades, making crypto honest again. That's it. That's it. That's all. Thank you, everybody, for being here. The only requirement, even though you haven't hit the like button, which is fine, is to say good morning. So good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys for being here and hanging out. We just had an initial jobless claims coming in under expectations. Okay? Lower, lower, lower. Initial jobless claims in the U.S. fell. Okay? It fell. So losing jobs. AI is winning. Okay? Not the greatest. Then we have non-farm and unemployment rate tomorrow. Tomorrow. That's going to be a gong show. And then the big one, I would say, is next Friday. Next Friday, we have inflation data, guys. This is going to be the big one next Friday. Because oil, like we were talking about before, if oil goes up $10, inflation goes up by 0.2%. In general terms, okay? I'm not saying it's perfect. I'm saying in general terms. So oil's gone up $40, which means we're almost at 1% inflation extra. Which we know is all fake, but, you know, the numbers are the numbers, and the market reacts to the numbers, even though the numbers are, I don't know, whatever conspiracy theory you guys are all about, man. I love a good conspiracy theory. What's your favorite conspiracy theory, guys? Is it the lizard people? It's only a conspiracy until it's truth, right? Magnetic reversal. I kind of like them all. The 9/11 conspiracy theory. Yeah. Good to see you, Jason. Tom G's. Good morning, Wayne. What kind of sandwich did you get today, Wayne? You're all in denial. I'm seeing 40 to 45K for the bottom. I mean, I like the order block down there. I've said that from the top. If we're going to come down, that's kind of the front run to everybody's 37,000 target. Right? I do macro analysis. However, yeah, I like this guy in here, man. This guy looks juicy. What's this? 41? Yeah. I like this guy here. I mean, that was everybody looking, what, 786? So from the low to the high here, they're looking 786. Platinum pocket, 39. Oh, that'd be juicy. We're going to have to do a macro. So this isn't my macro chart, but we're going to have to do it in the Discord eventually. Is this my macro? No, this isn't it either. You guys are gonna tweak when you see this. Oh yeah, that is my macro one. Bitstamp chart. You guys ready? This is your brain on drugs. Oh man. This is what let me sell at 125,000, guys. So whatever you think you know, you don't know. This is your brain on drugs though. Take profit areas. We were prepared. I sold at 125,000. I don't know what you guys did, but we're going to do this in the Discord shortly. Everybody's like, what the fuck? What the is that, man? We're dumping. We're dumping. If you're not short, well, that's okay. Down we go. Oh, man. My conspiracy is that you are an AI character controlled by the lifer. Oh, man. Too good. Too good. Who's backing up the truck at 40? I mean, I'll be averaging into Bitcoin. I haven't bought any yet. I've bought some Solana at $80. But yeah. Oof. That's nasty. Why not short here to 65K? We're at the bottom. I'm not bottom blasting today. NASA's a movie production company. Let's go. Is God made a physical human son? And you do whatever you want in life as long as you accept him. You'll be cleared of all your wrongdoings. I love it. Good morning, Randy. Good to see you. I saw that Kyle in Discord also has his own membership, around $50. I think, which one should I purchase? You do you, man. Kyle has a affiliate link for mine, and I have an affiliate link for his. So do whatever you want to do with that. Hollow moon theory. That's interesting. Chemtrails. That's good. Dave Digital shapeshifts into a meerkat at night. He becomes Timon. Have a good day, JR. Okay, double bottom here at the lows. This just looks nasty, guys. Dump in here. Did you see the NASA streamer? You guys think this Artemis 2 is just a distraction, right? Truman Show is a documentary. Yeah, we're all in the Truman Show. We know that. The Hollow Moon theory is really interesting. Okay, sporadic push up now. Coming back for late shorts. Let's be real, this guy's got to be the coolest. Ancient astronaut theories, guys. I love this guy's. This guy's got the best hair. Ancient astronaut theories. Wow, we're getting a pump right now. Yeah, this is violent, guys. Not really interested in this right now. Double bottom at the lows. Solana bleeding out. Taking the trades, showing the trades. This thing is NASDAQ pushback. Got looking for follow through here. No structure change yet. If we take this high, then we can start considering longs. But right now, it's slowly bleeding out shorts. So into order block tap right now. Rejection down. Patience here. Patience here. Another rejection. NASDAQ trying to push back here. Looking for the gap down on the SPY this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Another rejection. This is choppy, man. Get out of my face. Patience here. I have no levels in here yet because I'm waiting for a low to be established, really. Like, if we look at here, we have, yeah. I mean, we could go fib here, high to low. You could be looking at the liquidity of the highs with the golden pocket in here. So that's definitely going to be an interesting level if we push back here. Breaking down here, retest of previous lows has been mitigated a couple of times. So we look at the liquidity in this high here. Sweeping down, sweeping this lower level here. So that liquidity has been taken. Next level to be taken is 65,800. Rejection down, continuation to the downside here. Still looking weak. Patience here. Patience here. So we look in here. We look at the highs here. Order block. And key level resistance here. I prefer higher. We'll see. Locally this needs to find support. Right now it's not. Any retracements for shorting. I'm currently not short. I shorted from up here last night. Closed it out down here for $1,500, I think, in total. Almost a $2,000 day yesterday. Now we wait. Taking the trades, showing the trades. Ancient astronaut theorists. What did Odyssey just say? He just sent a beautiful message, I think. Odyssey just sent a beautiful, beautiful message in testimonials. God bless you, bro. Wow. I just wanted to say thank you for everything you do. About a week ago, I won a giveaway for a free month of Discord along with it, your YouTube show, and watching your tutorials throughout. Discord has changed my life. I've tried to learn trading for a few years now and just kept pissing away all the money. It wasn't from lack of effort. It was because I did fully understand what I was seeing in the charts. That has all changed now because of you. You've changed my life, and I'm finally making money and knowing why or why not to make a trade. I know you never stop learning in these markets, and there will be still be mistakes along the way, but you've changed my life, and thank you. I encourage anyone that's new to the Discord to go through the videos in your spare time. There is wealth of knowledge, and AlexO explains things in a way that is easy to digest in your brain. Thank you, Odyssey. It's why we do it, man. God bless you, bro. Thank you so much for the kind words. At the end of the day, you've put in the effort, right? I share my experience and what has worked for me, and that's all I can do. I ain't here to sell you a course. You get the whole course in the bloody Discord. I mean, you pay the fees for the month. You can just digest all of the information in there and leave if you want. I ain't here to sell you. You know, I ain't keeping like, buy the course for this and that. You get the course. 150 plus videos. Thank you for doing the work, man. That's it, man. Solana's dumping. Bitcoin's following suit. This all looks bad. Down we go. Down only. Retested previous lows. Continuation down. Little snapback. Coming for late shorts. Rotation down. Not looking good here. Not looking good here. Thank you, Odyssey, for doing the work, though, man, and the kind words. I'm not saying it was aliens, but it was aliens. Melissa in the chat. I don't know how you're still here, Melissa. Maybe because you just know that I hate the Dodgers and you got to keep me accountable. My profit is a conspiracy. G1. At least something's going to the moon because we're not. I am a newbie. Help me trade Bitcoin. Take your time. Paper trade. Basic strategy. Intense risk management. That's it. Good to see you, Brillo, Vinny. Good morning. It's choppy today, guys. I left my short at 66.4. My goal was TP 66K, then 65. Nice. Nice. Can someone sponsor me for a membership? Nadeem. We sponsor a couple of people in our Discord. Solana hitting the bottom support. I mean, I'm looking at $76 for Solana. Oh, man. Bye-bye. Soul hitting bottom support. Sold to 0. How do you check your current price of membership? You should be able to check in Teachable. I feel like one of those like promotional guys. I guess I am a promotional guy now. I've hit the peak YouTube performance tab here. Solana's dying, guys. I'm losing critical support here on Solana. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Solana is getting wrecked. Down 5% for the day. ETH down. Whew. ETH. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. See you later. Now, I do take a lot of Solana trades, but I haven't been. Why? Why don't I take Solana trades right now? Because Solana's not outperforming Bitcoin. I favor trading Solana when Sol BTC is outperforming. Has Solana been outperforming Bitcoin lately? No. So I stay away from it. Because I do trade a lot of Solana, but not recently. Not to say that Solana hasn't been, you know, respecting the levels and stuff, but I mean, hello. Nice little respect here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Damn. So We shall see. Maybe I should have longed that low here. Pretty good levels. Am I supposed to say they're in the Discord? Because they are. They are. Oh, man. Tony, save me from myself, man. I can't be one of these billboard guys. I don't want to look like a NASA guy with all the adverts. But this is not looking good. We have open in 13 minutes, everybody. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out here. NASDAQ breaking down, everything breaking down, a little bit of, yeah. Buy Bitcoin. See you later, bro. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Thoughts on New York session open. So we have a bias for like a late afternoon pushback, but right now everything's bleeding out. We're expecting SPY to open down quite aggressively because NASDAQ's down 2%. So we would expect SPY to minimum come into this box here for the gap down, and then we'll see how the behavior is into market open. Oil continues to fly off the handle here, up at 110, which is massive. Solana breaking down here. Bitcoin breaking down here. Looking for relief. So if we're looking for relief, that means we need confirmation. We do not have any confirmation right now. We just continue to bleed out here. Any sort of retracement is for shorting. The trend is down. We've identified where the liquidity resides, top and bottom. So we are looking for retracements into here. And we are looking for support into here. So right now, rotation down. We'll see where we get to, but not looking good for Bitcoin. Shorts are the play. We don't want a bottom blast though right now. So we wait. We wait patiently. There's no trade for, even for a scalper like me. I mean, we could have looked for a short maybe on this wick back up here. But still want to get a bullish divergence here, trying to push back. Damn, Solana. Damn, girl. You ugly. You ugly. Solana is the ugly stick now. But yeah, you don't want to fade this move. Just slow, methodical bleed out, right? Down we go. Looking to find support. Either sweeping these lows here. Would like to see the sweep here and the bounce. Okay, 65.8. There's a low here. You could get up and then reclaim. That would be cool. Or we're coming here. There's no signs of letting up though right now. Just very ugly bleed out this morning. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the channel, hanging out. God bless you guys. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful day. Down we go. Down we go. How many people on the live today? Good to see you guys. We just had initial jobless claims. No real big news today. We got 412 people here and 135 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind giving that like button a little slap for me, that would be cool. If we can get to 200, that would be much appreciated. And thank you for supporting the channel. That's cool, man. Good to see you, Curtis Hill. How you doing, bro? If you are new here, the actual only requirement is that you do say good morning. $113 oil, yeah. Nasty. You just got up, Curtis Hill. Good to see you, bro. Catching that worm. Got a bunch of shorts in the shorts in here. Good job, everybody. And today we'll do the next couple weeks, this week and next week. The sale will be on. Only every 6 months do we do this sale. If you do want to get in the Discord and take advantage of this summer, this is the one. This is the one. Okay, little bounce here. NASDAQ bleeding out. We go into the Discord trade live as well right after the stream on Tuesdays. Is it Tuesdays? Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Push. Come on, you Nambe Pambe. Let's get going. Push, you Nambe. Bull divs, continuation up here, trying to push back. Late shorts to the party in here. 9:22. 8 minutes till market open. Maybe a little bit of relief into a dump this morning. We'll see. A long way to go for rotation. Previous day lows all the way at 67.5. That'd be a sweet rotation, though. What do we got here? 2.5. Good pushback. Holding on for dear life. Now, a lot of the times when the market's just dumping, it's very easy for them to put in the low because nobody's longing it, right? Now, your worst thing you could do is be trying to buy the low and trying to catch the bottom. If you're trying to be a booty snatcher, a bottom snatcher, you're going to end up losing a lot of money. Negative cash flow. Do you care about being long here, or would you rather be long here and paid with confidence, right? That's what I always try to teach people. I mean, I've caught some lows every now and then, right? I'd rather just be long, confident, and paid, right? Or short, confident, and paid. There's a big... Having confidence in your trade is going to be a big, big difference maker when it comes to longevity in the market, right? When you can take high probability trade setups and you can lose a bunch of trades, but you can manage your risk properly and manage your trajectory of your account, right? Compounding slowly over time. Long-term outlook is what you need here. That's what's worked for me anyways. 4 years in. When I want to make fast money, I make fast money, but I lose I lose it quickly too, right? I mean, we did 40 racks in January, and then we lost 23 of it, right? Which is fine. You're still positive, but the stress level with that, oh my God. I'm already gray. Doji engulfing bounce. Bullish divergence stiletto pattern here, guys. Trying to push back into market open. We got 5 minutes here. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live and smashing up those like buttons. We're almost at 200 likes, so that's cool. Thank you guys for hitting those like buttons. If you're new here, welcome. We're here live every morning, 8 a.m. till 10:15, taking the trades, showing the trades every single day, hanging out with you guys. Okay, compounding the $10,000 account. We're at 25K almost. Slowly but surely. Nice pushback here. Good strength. Nice pushback. Bull divs trying to push back. We'll see. Look at the last time it did this, guys. Remember, don't be fooled. Wait for the candle close. Let's just be patient here. We got 5 minutes till market opens. 4 minutes now. 1 minute left on this candle. Trying to remain patient. There's my NASCAR sign, guys. Thoughts on New York session? Okay. Fake pump before dump. Good morning, Jabron. Harp, good morning. Good to see you. Solano. SFP of the low first. Love the promo. Good to see you, Jabron. You want to pump? I don't care which way we go right now. I just want, if we're gonna look for longs, I would like to see some sort of structure confirmation. Coming into market open right now, this is just a slow bleed out. So what are they doing? Right? You always got to say, okay, what are they trying to make me see here, right? What are they trying to do to me? Market makers, right? Well, everybody's short and I'm missing out, right? I'm missing out. So we have shorts in here, trapped shorts all the way through here. People shorting this, right? Looking for us to go to zero. So where's the liquidity? Right here. Right? You don't have to be a rocket scientist to see this is where people are protecting their shorts. Right? Who didn't short with the gang last night and make all the money. So, where are they likely to send it? Probably here. How do we get there? I want to participate safely. So for me, this is our first high that we want to see taken. Nice push off the bottom into a buy level. Coming into market open, 2 minutes, right? Good strength. Very good strength here, right? So when everybody's looking to short this thing because of Orange Man, we should be looking to long it. Put a 1 in the chat if you long this. I mean, no confirmation for me. Hanging Man engulfing candle would be the tell here, guys. But too close to market open, in my opinion, to justify putting on risk here when we have 1 minute till open does not work for me. Okay, for me to just justify this candle pattern that we do trade in the Discord, which would look like this, right? Time, right? What time is it? We got 1 minute till market opens. Do I want to put myself at risk when the market's about to go a bit bonkers? It's going bonkers already, right? How is this taking a trade here participating safely? It's not, in my opinion. I'd rather wait. There'll be more opportunities. The market's always going to be moving. Like Trades by Matt always says, the market will be moving. There will always be opportunity, execution, good risk management, patience. That's it. Got to keep it simple. Patience, execution. The market will always be moving. No need to FOMO just because you see a couple green candles. Does Solana look good? Not really. Trend is still down. Little pushback here. Patience. Patience, patience. Oil, Valhalla. Oil's gone to Valhalla. NASDAQ, big push out. Okay, NASDAQ's ripping. Coming back for what? Late shorts. Market's open. Let's go. There's our gap. Beautiful call on the gap, guys. Okay, so gap down. Grabbing all this beautiful liquidity in here. Gap down for the market. Here we go. Market is open. Can we continue down or are we going to get rejected? NASDAQ ripping to the upside. Coming back. Sweeping the fair value gaps. Okay, rotation into there. Coming back for all the late shorts. Will it proceed upwards? Doesn't look like it. Little rejection. Double top at the highs here. Rejection off the downwards trend line. Okay, resistance. Trying to flip the resistance. What do I want to see? I want to see this high taken. Then we can look for potential longs. NASDAQ continuing to push. Very volatile. Oil flying. SPY dying. Okay. Oil flying, SPY dying. Gap down below. Bitcoin rejection. Continuation down here. Coming back for late longs in this area. Patience here. Big rejection. Double top. Rotation down. Solana dying. NASDAQ. Steve Ruglin. Steve Ruglin at the highs, continuing to push. Biddy, retracement down. Can it hold support here? NASDAQ continuing to push. Oil stalling out. SPY uncertain. No movement here really on SPY. Bitcoin holding. Bitcoin holding, trying to push out. NASDAQ pushing up. NASDAQ showing signs of strength. Potential continuation up. Showing lots of strength. But what goes up very aggressively? If this falls, Bitcoin dumps hard. Bitcoin rejection off the trend line here. No strength. Engulfing the candle here. Weakness, weakness, weakness. Rotation down. NASDAQ rejecting. Bitcoin rejecting. Nice rejection off of our trend line into our short area. Okay, good area. Sweep of the lows. Very volatile, guys. This is a 0.5% move in less than 3 minutes. Interesting days. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the channel. We'll see what we get today. Solana sweeping the lows. Big dump on DAC. That's nasty. That's nasty. Coming down. SPY is coming down as well. Big dump, big sell-off. Big sell-off, big sell-off, big sell-off. Across the board, looking weak. Bitcoin coming down. 3 drives, bull divs. Sweep of the lows. We're looking for the sweep down here, remember? Can we push out? We'll see. Congrats if you shorted this area. I didn't like, I don't like generally taking trades between 9:30 and 9:45, but that was the short. At least we had the level for you guys. Key level of support and resistance. Liquidity. Downwards trend line. 3 confluences. Ching. Put a 2 in the chat if you shorted here. You got the big cojones. Big cojones. GG's. I love seeing you guys win. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Okay, trying to hold support at the lows here. I would like to see the liquidity taken at a 65.8 here. NASDAQ choppy, retesting previous highs. We'll see how it reacts down here. Looking like it's getting a little bit of a bounce here. Same with the SPY. Holding the lows. Freaking out, everybody. Shorts building up here, probably getting rejected. Solana dying. Solana's dying. Okay. Trying to hold here for Biddy. Not looking too hot. Oil continues to rip to the upside here. Damn. $113 oil. Not so bueno. Yikes. Thank you guys for being on the live. Thank you for smashing up those like buttons. You guys are incredible. Still no trades for me. Still waiting. Showing the trades. Taking the trades every single day. There's no reason to long here. There's that low taken. Big dump. Sheesh. Sheesh. All right. Dump it, baby. SPY dumping. Bitcoin dumping. Sweep of the lows on Biddy. Sweep of the lows on Biddy. Not interested yet. Not interested yet. Still waiting here. Bitcoin rolling over. No trade yet. What is the SFP rules, gang? You guys know. Damn. Sweeping that low. Good job. Job's done. NASDAQ bouncing. SPY still slowly bleeding out. Solana slowly bleeding out. Bitcoin slowly bleeding out. Damn. Down we go. Where we stop, only Dave Digital knows. Next level, 65,000. Nice rejection off of our trend line here. Continuation down. Retest to previous lows is on the table for potential shorts. Bouncing back right now. We have swept that low, remember. So there is a potential for a bounce here. We were looking for this morning. A sweep, convincing. We want a long on convincing strength. Otherwise, we wait. Push back here. NASDAQ continuing to bleed out. SPY continuing to bleed out. Solana looks terrible. All right. Push back here on Biddy. Push back on Biddy. Trying to reclaim the lows. Still waiting here. NASDAQ trying to hold this area as well. NASDAQ trying to hold here as well. Solana, Bitcoin, Retest those lows. Dump. Still waiting, guys. Very volatile morning. We're going to have a nice orb today, guys, so far. Quite juicy. Almost 1% orb again. Orb at the lows. Rotation back up, potentially. Wild day, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. Smashing up those like buttons. Otter gang. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Can it push back? Or will we just continue to bleed out? That is the question. Yikes. Nice bounce. Holding. I was not longing that. I tell you that much. I was not longing that. I do not have the cojones for that this morning. Retest to previous lows. Here's our rejection zone. So continuation down. This would be your general trade setup in here. I'm not taking this, just so that you know. It's never financial advice here. I ain't your dad. I'm still waiting. Trading is waiting, baby. Still waiting. Wild times, man. All we can ask is for volatility, and that's what we got. Solana is so overextended. I just want convincing structure on Solana. Oh, pink box tap and go. Oof. Oh, baby. There's a rejection. Oof. NASDAQ dumping. NASDAQ dumping hard. SPY rolling over. Damn. That's nasty. What do we got over here? Tesla's what? Tesla's down 4%. Coinbase 4%. Robinhood 6%. Nvidia. Yeah. Silver. Oof. Down we go. Trying to hold these lows, but I mean, there's no let up here, guys. Congratulations on your shorts if you are short. Can we push back? Trying to hold here. Not convinced, guys. Good job on your shorts, everybody. Thank you for being here. Jibran, God bless. Thank you for being in the baby otters. Now you can put a lot of otters in the chat. Otters in the chat. That's where we started, guys. This channel is otters, man. I didn't make the otter up. I didn't come up with it. However, this is looking quite nasty. NQ recovering? Yeah, I wouldn't say so. I don't think there's any sign of relief yet. No audio is perfect. Audio is fine. Okay. I don't hear anything. Your audio's good, no? Time traveler. Let's go. All right. Let's go. Water emojis. Splooshies in the chat, man. Trying to defend these lows. Trying to. No signs of letting up here. DAC trying to bounce off of critical level here. We do have a critical level here. Trapping all the shorts down here, guys. It's just not convincing just yet. SPY trying to bounce. NASDAQ trying to bounce. Oil rotating down here a little bit. Okay. All right. Bull divs here. I mean, the bull divs aren't diving, right? Like, it's... You're not trading bull divs on a massive downtrend. It's just not smart. There's a time and a place. There's a time and a place. It's a good candle here. If we can push up and engulf this candle, that would be nice. We still got 2 minutes left on this guy here. Can see a bit of exhaustion down here, but real no relief. Oh, man. DAC, that's nasty. Oof. Oh, baby. What a rejection here. Lower. Lower. That's what that says. No trade right now. I'm still waiting. Damn. Damn. The dust is not settling. It's just chopping sideways here and no real reaction. This is just bear flagging and down. That's what it says, bear flagging. Have you guys ever heard of the town Bear Flagging? Bear flagging and down. They have a really good cider in the town pub in Bear Flagging. Put a 1 in the chat if you've heard of Bear Flagging. Put a 2 in the chat if you haven't heard of Bear Flagging. Bear flagging and down. There's a beautiful there's a great cider at their beer. It's called Cummins and Dixon's. Have you ever had a Dixon cider? It's a delicious brew. Oh man. I can't do it. They drink the stout in Bear Flagging. I'm from Bear Flagging. You like Cummins? Cummins is a great cider. Richardson's. Yes, I like Richardson's. Richardson cider. Hey, my wife is British, so I have a semi pass. Okay, my wife is full on from the sauce. She's from Worcester. Okay, the wash your sister sauce. We all had a Dixon cider after the pink box. That's correct. We all took the pink box short. If you're in the Discord, pink box shorts, given in advanced, and then we had a Dixon cider all the way down in brown. Holding lower orb is in, guys. Trying to push back. We'll see if we can get some bottoming structure in here. Yeah. Little manipulation below the range. Trying to reclaim the range right now. No trade. Still waiting. 515 people in here. 193 likes, guys. Thank you for being here. If you do want to join the Discord, every 6 months, the only chance to get this discount. Lock it in for life. Otherwise, don't. Best Discord in all of crypto. Shorts given in advance. Constant trade setups. 8 different traders. Signal setups. Strategies. 150 plus videos. The choice is yours. Easter sale. Use code Lord Otter for the discount. All right, pushing back here. NASDAQ getting a bounce. Nice bounce on the DAC. Looking good. SPY holding, pushing. Holding and pushing. Trying to go here on Soy Boy Lana. Overextended to the downside, guys. Looking like we're getting a bit of relief here. Potential for push up here. Sellers still in control, but buyers are trying to step up right now and reclaim the range. Trying to push. Still no trade. 0.5% up from the low. Holding. Holding. NASDAQ flying. Choppy in the range. Coming back, retesting this box here on the SPY. I don't think it's out of the woods just yet. Still waiting here. Patience. Level given in advance this morning. Rotation down. See if it does want to give us some relief. Looking for a rotation back into 66.8. But we'll see if we get there. Right now, this is just slowly bleeding out, guys. Any sort of relief is met with resistance. So, remaining patient here right now. No trades so far. We go live trading in the Discord right after the stream here, where there isn't a delay and we show our trades all day long, baby. Trying to push here. Still not looking good here on DAC. Solana trying to push back. Order block retest, continuation down into heavy resistance. Low, high. Order block retest, short. Filling fair value gap. Rotation down. Retest of the low here. Can we come back? Lower orb holding. Looking for a rotation above the upper orb. VWAP's way away right now, guys. We could look to get back to VWAP eventually today. We could look for this. Still waiting right now. Nice candle here. Very nice bullish candle. Hammer candle engulfing. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade possibly. NASDAQ still, well, it's good push out here from NASDAQ, so can it continue? Oil, a little bit of toppy structure here. Just rip into the upside. Patience here, everybody. Thank you for being here, though, and hanging out. Smacking up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. We're here live every morning. Taking the trades, showing the trades. It's been a game of patience, really. That's all it's been. I've had one red day in almost 3 weeks, so it's been good. One red day. So, but it's required a lot of patience. So we try to remain humble and objective. I've reduced my size quite significantly in the past, I guess, month or so. Instead of taking, $1 million trades, we've been taking $300,000, $200,000 trades now, just because of the way the market's behaving. Wealth preservation is, if you can't preserve your capital, you're not going to be able to generate any sort of return. We're here clicking buttons for a living. It's a privilege to click buttons. So we must wait for our setups. Otherwise, we end up broke. That's just the name of the game. Patience here. Nice pushback. I like this follow through here. Solana into resistance. Bitcoin trying to push up into this upper resistance here. So far, so good. All right. More of a slow crawl up right now. Showing some strength. NASDAQ showing the strength as well. Good follow through. Good follow through into our resistance now. So this is where I would expect either major rejection or retracement continuation. Still waiting. Retracement continuation. Interesting. Not yet. Not yet. Just a little bit bullish momentum to the upside right now. I don't want to get in front of it. Not with the NASDAQ doing this. NASDAQ looks too strong to fade this move right now. Breakout retest. Breakout retest. Downwards trend. NASDAQ's showing strength, so I don't want to fade this move. Typically I would short here, but this says no. This says don't short here. Yeah. It all says don't short here. Bull divs on the lows, pushing out, momentum coming in, 12-minute momentum coming in, right? Everything's bottoming out here. 24 trying to bottom out as well, right? Very, very aggressive bleed out, right? Always zoom out. Invert your chart. That always refreshes the mind, right? Overextended to the upside. Rotation down, right? That helps too. Whatever it takes to stop you from FOMOing, not trading a strategy, not executing high probability setups, right? That's it. There's that strength we were talking about. You could see on the NASDAQ pushing out. Okay, SPY starting to close the gap now, which is good. Trapping longs up at the highs. We're looking for pullbacks into here. 1 minute. 1 minute block. 1 minute block here. Retest the previous highs. So potentially retrace to here. Pretty scalpy though. Still waiting. Solana into order block resistance, trying to flip orb. Overextended a little bit here. NASDAQ continuing to push. SPY continuing to push. Showing strength. Resilient. Resilient. Holding the lows here. Sweep of the low. Sweep of the low. We've taken this low as well. Trying to hold on. Still waiting. 470 people in here. Everybody's dropping off, going somewhere else. Oh, I just went from 470 to 510. That's weird. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. $760 billion wiped out on the stock market open. How do I, after buying the big orange button, if you join the Discord at the discount, you join the Discord, you sign up here, you go to Discord, you click the big orange button that says verify membership. If you've just joined the Discord, verify membership. Discord, verify membership, and you'll get the roll and you'll be good to go. Sale only happens twice a year. This is the cheapest it'll ever be. Join if you want. I ain't here to. The Discord will tell you how good it is. That's all. I ain't here to sell you anything. You can join if you want. The Discord was free for like almost 3 years, 2 years. Good pushback here. Good strength here on the pushback for the SPY. Oil seems to be topping a bit right now. Very high, but topping. Chopping at the top here. Bitcoin not having the same oomph as a bit of exhaustion after that candle print here. So trying to push back. Solana pushing back. Still waiting here. Can we continue? Can we continue is the question. Three white soldiers, consolidation, continuation. That's what we got right now. Three white soldiers, consolidation, continuation. Good follow through. NASDAQ pushing. SPY continuing to push. Oil dropping. Okay, good signs. Good signs of relief right now. Not fully out of the, not fully out, but we can say this is an established high now. So we can look for resistance in here and here. Major resistance coming into there. Okay. Top of the orb. Top of the orb resistance. Expect a bit of turbulence up here. However, nice pushback. Slowly climbing up. Whenever I see slowly climbing up, I just think trap longs. Trap longs, right? Trap liquidity to dump it on people's heads, right? Patience here. That's why we wait for the break, right? I would rather get in here and take this puppy up rather than be long in here and then have the wreckage come for me. Still waiting. Asia's been so much better than, afternoon trading has been so much better than New York. I'm normally 2-3 trades a stream, and this has just been absolute dog shite. Not frustrating. It's just, it is what it is. The market will be moving, but SFP of the highs, sweep of the highs, rotation down. NASDAQ don't care. SPY doesn't care. Recovery on SPY, looking strong. Toppy up here, looking for oil to rotate down. Relief on everything else. Nice pushback. Great longs, everybody. If you are long, GG's. I love seeing you guys win. Keep it going. I identify as long. Good job. Today's motivation, $1 billion per year is only $2.74 million per day. Let's go. Push, push, push. What's going on, Reggie? Good to see you, man. Tony Soprano. 3.5 inches long. Let's go. Looks like a button on a fur coat, eh? That's what we say in Canada. Can you give the discount to current discount members? Unfortunately, no. Coffee, if you don't mind. Thanks, beautiful. You look cute. Yeah. Guys, I'm punching. Wife offering to make me a coffee? in those pajamas, man. Damn. I might have to go and take a little 3-minute break, you know? 2 pump chump. Right? I don't even know if I'd get my pants off. Oh, man. Too funny. My lady calls it a sausage roll. Okay, gripe of the day. Everybody wants to give a discount to new members, but what about loyalty? I mean, the Discord, when we started the Discord, it started at $15 for 3 months, or $15 a month. Then it went to $35. Then it went to $45. Then it went to $65. Now it's at $88, and I said I'll never put it higher than $88. So the loyalty over the years has been there. Now, if you want the $75 discount, if you want to be a magician, Harry, I mean, I love the loyalty. However, I think what you could do is you could cancel before Black Friday in November. You could cancel before November, and then you could re-sign up if you want. Or you could cancel now and re-sign up. I'm going to do the math. I think we provide way more value than this. And that's my 2 cents. People like Melissa and Jeanette and French Toaster, who have been here from day one, they don't even pay because they're family. Blockchain Crusader, he doesn't pay. He's family. He's been around forever. Alexander G, I think we're very generous. I don't mean to shit on your parade. I'm just saying, you know. And the Discord was free for 2.5 years. Now there's too many people, so I charge more. That's all. So if you want, it's there. The way I draw what? Let's go, Susan. Let's go, man. Slam along in the pink box. Yeah, that's the one, man. French Toaster, I pay Alex. Yeah. Your indicator Lord Otter is like market cipher or better? No. It's just my indicator. Not better, not worse. It's an oscillator at best. Breakout, retest, continuation out. Alex works harder than anyone. Yeah. Rich. Is voice cutting in and out for anyone else? Is this okay? Is the volume okay, everybody? I hear you perfectly. Okay. Breakout, retest, continuation here, guys. Up only. Up only. Up only. Up only. Coming back for all these late shorts. Nice push Solana. Nice push Bitcoin. Congratulations on your longs, everybody. Beautiful. Coming into resistance now. Nice push off the lows, guys. Up 1%. See if we can continue here. SPY looking good. SPY looking good. I would say this is the major resistance of the range right now coming into this box here. We'll see how price reacts. Up only is literally what's going on right now. We have a breakout of downtrending momentum. We'll be looking for longs potentially in here. But a nice push nonetheless. See if we do continue here. Short squeeze vibes, yeah. 74K is next. Let's go. I hope so. Thank you for being here, Rich. Good to see you, man. TP 1.5. Let's go, Vegas. I would be safe to enter with stop below top of orb. No. Top blast, bro. Top blast. It's top blast for sure. Oof. Nice push on ETH. Nice push on Sol. Resistance here. Up only for NASDAQ. Up only for Biddy. Follow through, continuation here. Order block retest, continuation up. A little bit of exhaustion, lots of liquidity to come and take here. Can we sweep here? Still waiting. We're going to go trade live in the Discord right after this. Hopefully you're all having a wonderful morning. Thank you guys for being here. Short squeeze. Will it continue? Nobody knows. Wild times. That's enough out of me today, guys. I'm going to go and trade in the Discord. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. No trades today, again. Dumping and then pumping. Hopefully you all had a wonderful stream. Have a beautiful day. Happy Thursday. Trade safe. Much love. Remember to use good risk management. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's